and Burna Boy get problem, what he was supposed to do was Ogbefia. But he was more concerned about how it will sound than the real meaning of the word. Now, for you to know that this song too, now Esther song, the next word you will not hear is memufia. What is memufia? Memufia means come out for mind.
Ogbefia, memufia, come out for mind.
Hold on. Now, the final way you will know that the song is an Esther song, now when Wizkid enter, because they hear, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Let me, no, I can never turn back, no.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.
Pretty Mike, sorry, this guy anyway, the cook rice. If you know how many war they between comedian and actors, sit down. You see the first war when I help you now. Chris Brown and his... You throw me chinchin. You never cheat on chin. Chris Brown and his girlfriend welcomed their daughter. Chris Brown's girlfriend's name is Jada Wallace, in case you don't know. Not be that one pay me, nothing concern me. They named the child Complex. That's normal badness more. Not be that one even verse me. Now Gen Z, when go to comment under the post, say, oh, such an aware name, such a conscious name. You know, say that Gen Z goes scatter this country. If anything, do Nigeria, make the whole Gen Z. Such a conscious name. Will you keep that same energy if na Igbo man, na him name became Complex? Say Igbo man, na call name became shopping mall. You go say, your own is too much. Or you put on the conversation saying, so romantic, such a sweet name, Gen Z, Nago. See, do you know that Donald Trump posted this year that we are coming to Nigeria, the Christian genocide, we can no longer take it. We are coming, it's going to be swift, it's going to be fast, and it's going to be direct. Gen Z go comment under Donald Trump post, say, oh, I'm so shy, my first war. Another one follow up the next comment, say, how is it going to be? What are we wearing? Gen Z, for wow. Another one comment, say, you when begin when they use your breast, they stingy. When this war start, na bandit, you see soccer. Oh, God. Gen Z? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ebo Setale. Na Ekpoma from Com. Yes, very rugged town. But right now, the town is a shadow of itself because the insecurity in that town is something else. And the media propaganda that is going around, we say, not just kidnapping business. But what I want to say is this. There are people in the bushes in that area that when they come to your town, they don't want to leave without taking it. That's the main issue with the problem that is happening at Puma. Man, not the emotion, I'm not go kill them. Now, inside this mental trauma when we go through, Wizkid went to the studio. He released a song. Wizkid not talk till 2 minutes. Everybody quiet now, they look up. This same Gen Z, now they cause fella, say who want they follow who they sing song after 16 minutes. Now, Wizkid went to the studio and sang Money Constant. Wait, even pay me, he could feature Ekpoma Boy for the song. DJ, play me Money Constant. Now, DJ, hold on. May we all imagine say na Ekpoma we dey. Ekpoma when be say na only once every Sunday, now they happy. Ekpoma, every Sunday, there is hall, there is DJ, there is alcohol, but there's no security because fight was burst. Now, may we imagine I say we don't gather for Supreme Hotel. Then, Then DJ can play Money Constant. DJ, play him again.
Ogbefia, Big Wiz, you.
Now, move it to 33 seconds. 33 seconds. Hold on. The first word. No, DJ, hold it. Don't sweat it. Ogu, they kill you. What did they make DJ they get here? Which work they do they do here? If you gonna plate here, who get the song? What he go play? What he go plate? DJ go there. DJ go they do teeth. DJ when they use teeth carry a tear wire. Okay, if this show close now, after we go, stop DJ go use a carry speaker.
Oga, it's a lie.
Start the song again. Now, listen up. The very first word, DJ hold it. The very first word that was mentioned in this song is Ogbefia. It did exactly 33 seconds. Now, let me explain the meaning of Ogbefia for you. The real pronunciation is Ogbefia. It's an Asian word. Ogbefia means the force of takeoff. You know the Wizkid and Big Bird. So when bird take off, that's Ogbefia. Now, DJ Tunes, when in this studio, DJ Tunes gonna say it does not sound right. That they should use Ogba, not Ogbe. Egbo. If you see beating. Yeah. The thing is that when he and Burna Boy get problem, what he was supposed to do was Ogbefia. But he was more concerned about how it will sound than the real meaning of the word. Now, for you to know that this song too, now it's a song, the next word you will not hear is memufia. What is memufia? Memufia means come out for mind. DJ, yeah. Yeah.
Ogbefia.
I continue.
Ogbefia, Memufia, come out from her.
Hold on. So since 9, when the song started, Gen Z don't they dance, they happy, yeah. Even when song never sweet, only God always Gen Z they spoke. They all they on milligrams. They happy. Yeah. Now, if you be 40 years, now from this point the song they concern you. DJ, continue from where you will stop.
I dey lie in my mind. The money in my mind. The money where you dey owe me, you go pay me today.
DJ, hold on. Now from here now everybody they relate. Because you not get what they want they owe. And you not get what money not they mind. Now, the final way you will know that the song is an Asian song, like when Wizkid enter. Because they hear, hey. Like me, no, I can never turn back, no. If I enjoy the show, when they clap, when they come, I know what I'm not lost. I know what I'm doing. Ladies and gentlemen, life is like a dig. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. It's never hard all the time. And it's also short. Women make it harder. Do you know that some women don't want to see men happy? One of the few times a man is extremely happy is when he's on top of a woman. Do you know that you will see be on top of some women, they will cover their eyes. Sister, open your eye and see my joy. Open your eye and see the happiness you are creating. That is the only time a Benin man is vulnerable. Benin man will go speak with you and you're going to say, oh, when akina, efu ano, oh, mi avade sugar, man, life too hard. And you see, everybody they disrespect our governor for Instagram. That man not be small man, oh. He had day back, oh. Ogbefia is a direct answer. Is a direct, what do they call him? DNA of that man when shot. You cannot send me. You send me. Out of me and you. One go take that body go. That's the direct ancestor of Ogbefia. I never see their governor, they use caterpillar, soft crime. Now Ogbefia will not start them. Do you know that when Ogbefia newly entered as governor, court boys got to show themselves. You got the year 1-1 now, 2-2 year, 3-0. Tell them match. Not be match na body Binio. He got the track case with that way. I say, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Now you're my bulldozer. What he pay me? He even put ribbon for the bulldozer. He commissioned the bulldozer. Now he say, any court's house, demolish. My brother, all the landlords for Benin Council will go through and feed that bill. See me for high court, they swear. I, Ebosetale Kingsley, I do solemnly swear that I'm not a courtist, that the house I stay at number 2, first to GRA, is not my house. The only thing that belongs to me inside the house is my wife, my children, my chair, my TV. My bro, I do this and I go. Life used to be a whole lot simpler. Especially back in the days when, as a young man, if you want to know who be big boy, if you want to know who be big boy back in the days, as a man of the 80s, see their room. Their bed, not they pass from here to here. I'm coming, let me finish. If you like, they do shh there. You know what I mean when you use the remote to come, would they kill you? The bed, not they pass here to here. The room, either you put red rug or blue rug. Now I make it the check on nani na some of nani p. Hello. Now what you gonna do for rug? Hello. Now your bed, the day near your window. Now I some of they use spoon, thief na phone. Hello. Now if you want to pimp the room, you will go buy all those Celine Dion poster. What should be a pint? Or Alicia Keys. You will not paste it beside your bed. That's the foundation of your soapy. Hello. Are you aware what I'm saying? Are you with me? Now, when you want to buy electronics, your first sound system as a man of the 80s and early 90s, now either Tiri Loda Wafide, Tiri Loda Awai, or Tiri Loda Kenwood. Your TV, Panasonic or Sony. That make, if you knock it, it will make boo. Those days, they don't see chandelier. The only option you have for chandelier is that lamp holder you go and buy in the market that have 2 heads. Hello? It comes with a wire. You control the wire to the side of your bed. Hello? That's your power. Now, when babe visits you for your room, you cannot change the room from red to blue. Now, if you want to walk on the girl, now play on your Tiri Loda Wafide. I never really wanna that I call. By this time, they get on the edge of your bed, you don't say the girl is homeless. If that will not work, now you will not play this one. From the day that I met you, girl, I knew that your love would be everything that I ever wanted in my life. By this time now, everywhere don't soak. By the rivers of water. If it not work, finally to destroy, don't play Western. Empty street, empty house, I hold. The problem now is that relationship, when you Google key to for the relationship, you will see fall back to Westlife. Hello? Westlife, they get the first breakup song. As he scatter your heart. You're gonna hear, baby, I know the story. I seen the picture. It's written all over your face. If you broke your heart, sing along. Tell me, what's the secret? I like that passion. Throwback. Flashback. I guess it's over. Good night. All right.
MC Casino, Funny by Nature, live in Lagos.